Next, HD2 A-Lance. Artemis A-Lance HD2 waterproof dual band DMR radio. In the previous discussion, analog and DMR. For now, HD2 waterproof dual band and DMR also. A-Lance HD2 ham radio born for HMA. Also digital and analog radio. We have a Bluetooth function, high power, GPS, IP67 waterproof, VFO, Bluetooth compatible 5.0. Wow. The matching Bluetooth comfortable, designed for instant hands-free use. It's the best for hiking, for rides, and also IP67 waterproof, 1 meter deep water for 30 minutes. Okay, you can totally submerge in water for 1 meter deep for 30 minutes. Okay, large contact capacity for the maximum of 500,000 contacts. Wow. And 3,000 channels. Support for CSV file upload and DMR contacts. For the power, you can adjust for 10 watts, 5 watts, 1 watts, and 0.5 watts. So there's 10 watts is for long distance communication and 0.5 watts for supports DMR hotspot. A-Lance is maximum of 10 watts for the high power. And DMR digital radio, we have multi-group communication, high definition sound quality, digital encrypted communication. So what I've said for Bluetooth headset, also compatible to wear, connect Vox function, and ultra clear sound quality. Okay, regarding to the rechargeable battery, it has a 3,200 mAh, 30 to 35 hours of ultra long use time. Okay, provide recharge power for 10 watts high power. It's too long for like this unit. A-Lance is built-in GPS, locate and share location with Meet. It is also a GPS. There's a lot of accessories. First of all, for the HD2 DMR ham radio, we have belt clip, hand strap, data cable, battery, Type-C charging cable, wireless headphone, charging base, and also the user manual. Also adjustable power. Once again, A-Lance HD2 DMR digital radio provides for adjustable power, 10 watts, 5 watts, and also 1 watts and 0.5 watts. VFO programming. The A-Lance HD2 radio can be programmed from the front panel without the need of computer. Okay, you can also program using manual programming. Also single group and all call. Dual band radio supports different call modes for various occasions, including personal, group, and team communication, meeting the flexible needs of large teams. Okay, sa PTT function, dual PTT function, you can press the PTT button or side key button to transmit or different bandwidths, pressing the asterisk or scan key to switch band A or B. For the emergency alarm, press the specified alarm key to turn local or remote alarm. Between alarm, we will send the voice to your partner to ask for help, making your going out secure. NOAA weather alerts, night mode. A-Lance HD2 supports both day and night display modes. The night mode can reduce the damage of the strong light to the eyes and improve reading comfort. Clear sound quality. HD2 DMR ham radio adopts digital technology, provides superior audio than analog two-way radio. In addition, the 0 to 9 option squelch function effectively filters out the background, wind, or vehicle sound, enhancing communication clarity even when you are in a noisy environment. Communication with members without worries. What's in the box? One HD2 radio, one Type-C charger, one USB Type-C charging cable, one Type-C desktop charger, one antenna, one programming cable for HD2, one user's manual, one belt clip, one sling, and one Bluetooth earpiece. There's an other specification. You can also read this. Okay, so that's all for second radio, A-Lance HD2 waterproof dual band DMR radio.